Thank you, Mother, for leaving your comments on my video. I really appreciate that. Doing the mother trend as someone with OCD like me. The mother trend lady is someone who cook without washing any of her meat or veg or anything she use and make things raw, so that this would be a nightmare for me. So I'm following mother recipe with my own way because I'm suffering from severe OCD. First thing first, I put my pressure cooker on fire and I wash my meat with vinegar and salt. And now I'm gonna add this to the pressure cooker because this food is only for me. So I can eat it from pot or I can take it in the bowl. This is only for me. Add about 2 cup water. And now I'm gonna add loads of garlic and ginger, some salt and some black pepper. And cook it under the pressure for good 15 minutes. While it's cooking, I'm gonna ready my vegetable now. One thing very common between me and mother. Mother love avocado and I love avocado. I can eat 5 avocado at the same time. This is my garden. So I'm gonna peel the courgette first. As I told you, I'm an OCD person. I don't like with this. I have to peel it. I don't like skin. I have to peel it. The courgette is all peeled off. I heat my pan, take couple of garlic and chili and crush it in my lovely little blender. That's it, it's all done. A tablespoon olive oil, that's all. You need a little bit butter or oil for healthy eating. Add it to the pan. Love the smell. Add courgette to the pan, but slice it. Give a good mix. 2 bullet chili. Again, I'm gonna cut it. Just to make our dish colorful. I love these chili. They're kind of a little bit sour and a little bit sweet. And some baby broccoli from my garden. It's nice to chop. It's more flavor. Now a couple of masalas. First my mixed masala. You can buy any mixed masala. Black pepper. Chili flakes. Always my favorite. And some curry powder. Just a little bit. And a little bit dry methi. Give a good mix. Can I show you the better view? Ooh la la. Wow. Oh God, look at this. How colorful and the smell. Ooh. Now I'm going to take a couple of mushrooms from my garden to add it to this. But again, I'm going to cut it. And all my mushroom is cut. I use about 6-7 mushroom. And now my big, huge tomato. Chopped down on top of this. I still didn't buy healthy salt, so I'm going to use my ordinary salt. I love salt. Give a good mix and wait for my meat to cook, and then I'm going to show you the next step. For now, this is my garden plum, avocado, eat avocado with green plum. It's just hoo la la, especially with when you eat it with dill and rosemary. Amazing. Green plum with green chili. Bambar. And let's open our pressure cooker. Ooh la la, our meat is ready and it's so tender. Vegetable is ready, meat is ready, and let's add the meat. Meat is so tender, only in 10 minutes guys. Look, I show you, okay? Ooh. So tasty because of garlic and ginger and black pepper. And now give a good mix. Cook it with the meat for another 5 minutes, okay? Now 5 minutes is done and I'm gonna add all this broth, this yakhni. Oh, ye dekhiye. Look at that. Some coriander on top. Squeeze lemon on top. Check the salt. Yummy. And our vegetable meat soup / curry healthy recipe is ready. Enjoying. So few of you complain that why you eat in your pan. Even the pan is just cooked for me. The family member is not here. But still, I will respect your wish and take some in my bowl and eat. Okay? Ooh. It's just ooh la la. Will you try? Bismillah. First the soup. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. And the meat is so tender. But yes, someone complained that why I'm eating hot food. Why? Just I like it.